Hello dear students, today we are going to learn practice set 1.4. The question is, the number root 2 is shown on a number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. Fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. Here, one activity is given to us. Observe this figure. The point Q on the number line shows the number. Where is point Q? Point Q is here and it shows the number root 2. So, show the point Q on the number line shows the number. Point Q is here. It shows the number root 2. The line perpendicular to the number line. This is number line and this is line which is perpendicular to the number line drawn through point Q. Point R is at unit distance from Q. Point R is at unit distance from Q. Means OA is unit distance. This distance is equal to RQ. Right angle triangle ORQ is obtained. Now this ORQ triangle is right angle triangle. Length OQ is equal to root 2. OQ is equal to root 2. OR is equal to unit distance means 1. By Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OQ square plus QR square. So, what is distance OQ? Distance OQ is root 2. So, here we have to write root 2 square plus QR square. QR is unit distance. So, here we have to write 1 square. Square of root 2 is 2 and square of 1 is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. OR square is equal to 3. So, length OR is equal to root 3. Now, we will turn to the question number 2, and question number 2 is show the number root 5 on the number line. Now we have to learn something. Root 1 is equal to 1. Root 2 we cannot find in integers. Root 3 we can't find. Root 4 is equal to 2. And from root 4 we can take the value of root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. As we know that we can show number 1, 2 and 3. These 3 distances directly on a number line. Means we can show root 1, root 4 and root 9. As these are not irrational numbers. These are rational numbers because root 9 means 3 on a number line. We should know that root 5 is between 2 and 3. So, we will draw the number line first. Take origin O, draw arrowheads. Now take distance, unit distance 0 to 1, then 1 to 2. This distance is 1 and this is 2. 2 means here is root 4. 2 means root 4. So, draw unit distance perpendicular at this point. Now listen carefully. This is unit distance means 1 and this is root 4 means distance 2. Okay? Take the compass, put the pointer on point O and draw the arc. Point B, point Q. This distance is root 4 means 2 and this is 1. So 2 square plus 1 square OQ square in right angle triangle OBQ. OQ square is equal to OB square plus BQ square. OB is equal to 2 square plus BQ 1 square. Square of 2 is 4, square of 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 5. OQ square is equal to 5. So OQ is equal to root 5. So this distance OQ and this distance is equal. So point P denotes the distance root 5. In this example, this explanation is not needed while solving the exercise. Let's learn question number 3. Show the number root 7 on a number line. Draw a number line. Arrowheads, origin O. As root 7 is between number 2 and 3, we have to draw 1 and 2. This we will give this point the name B. Draw a perpendicular of unit distance. Take the compass and you will get the number root 5. Now again draw the perpendicular at root 5. This perpendicular should be equal to unit distance. Take the compass and draw the arc. This arc will show the distance root 6. Again draw the perpendicular at this point C. Take the compass and make the arc. This distance is root 7. Point D denotes the distance root 7. Thus, we have shown root 7 on a number line.